How to delete second account in Instagram. So if you want to delete your second account in your Instagram, then first open up your Instagram application. Go for your profile, which is on the bottom right, and then go for the upper right, which has that three-bar icon. Scroll all the way down and tap on log out all accounts. And then you need to log out. And once you've logged out of all of the devices, you need to make sure that you are logged into the device in which you would like to delete your account. So you need to simply choose the second account or the other account which you would like to delete. And once you're here, go for the profile and go for the upper right, which has that three-bar icon. Go for settings and privacy, and then go for account center. And under account center, you will have password and security. And under that, you can go back and then go for personal details, and under personal details you will have account ownership and control. Tap on that and then tap on deactivation or deletion, and then choose your Instagram account and choose delete account, and then tap on continue, and then choose a reason why you would like to delete your account, and then tap on continue again. And here, this is the last step. You need to enter your password of your Instagram account, and once you enter your password, tap on continue again, and then your account will be deleted in your Instagram. So that's how you can delete your second account in your Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.